In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dates on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to check so your updated travel dates are locked in with no surprises. Start by signing into your Booking.com account on the website or in the app. You need to be logged in so your reservations appear in one place and the system can apply the correct policies for your booking. Once you're in, head to the Bookings or Trips section. This is your dashboard for current and upcoming stays, and it's where you'll manage any changes. Find the reservation you want to adjust and open it. On the reservation page, look for a button or link labeled Change Dates or Edit Booking. The exact wording can vary slightly by device or property, but it will always be on the main reservation details screen. If you don't see an option to change dates, that usually means the property or the rate you chose doesn't allow edits. In that case, review the policy shown on the page. Some rates are non-refundable or date-specific. You can still contact the property or Booking.com support through the Help section for guidance, but availability and fees are at their discretion. If you do have the option to change, click Change Dates or Edit Booking. A calendar will open. Select your new check-in and check-out dates carefully, making sure your stay still satisfies any minimum night requirements the property might have. Keep in mind that prices are dynamic, so different dates can come with different nightly rates or taxes. After choosing your dates, click Check Availability. This step confirms whether the same room type is open for your new dates and shows any updated prices or conditions. If the original room isn't available, you might see alternatives, or you may be asked to try different dates. If nothing fits, back out and test nearby dates to find a match. When you see an option that works, review the summary. Look for any price differences, potential change fees, or prepayment adjustments. If everything looks good, proceed by selecting Save or Confirm Changes. The system will process your request and update your reservation details. You should receive a confirmation on screen and an email with the new dates. Take a moment to double-check the dates, room type, cancellation window, and total cost in that confirmation. That's it. Log in, open your trips, select the reservation, choose Change Dates, pick your new dates, check availability, and confirm. With these steps, you can adjust your plans smoothly and avoid last-minute hassles.